Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan here, and this time I have taken the chapter The Rat Trap. So in my previous video I have told you about the rat trap that when he was there in the Ramsjo and work place, iron mill we can say. So he met with that iron master and also his helper, and that iron master just thought him means to the rat trap seller, he thought that he was a captain, and he requested him to come with him to his house to celebrate Christmas, but he refused. Then his daughter came and she entered, followed by a valet. Valet is a person who just pays services for his master. So a serviceman is there, or you can say man. So carrying on his arm a big fur coat, he had carried a big fur coat. She was not at all pretty, but seemed modest. Modest means good behaviored lady, good mannered lady, and quite a shy girl. I should not say lady, she is girl. And in the forge, everything was just as it had been earlier in the evening. The master, blacksmith, and his apprentice sat on their bench, and iron and charcoal still glowed in the furnace. So everything was going well as it was usual would be there. Then he stretched himself out on the floor and lay with a piece of pig iron under his head. Means he was lying down, making a pig iron his pillow, and as soon as the young girl caught sight, as soon as she saw him, she went up to him and lifted his hat. This man was evidently used sleeping with one eye open, and he jumped up abruptly and seemed to be quite frightened, and he just jumped up and sat down, and he was frightened. My name is Edla. And the girl said, my name is Edla Wilsmanson. And said the young girl, my father came home and said that you wanted to sleep here in the forge tonight, and then I asked permission to come and bring you to Homas. Means she is requesting here to come with her to their house. She looked at him compassionately. She was looking with compassion, with affection, with her having eyes and having pitiable eyes, because rat trap seller's condition was very poor at that time. He was wearing torn clothes, so she was looking at in this way. And then she noticed that the man was afraid. Then he was afraid also. He was terrified, he was afraid, he had fear. So she said either he has stolen something. She said nothing, as the rat trap seller had stolen something, or else he has escaped from jail. He was terrifying badly. She thought and added quickly, you may be sure, Captain, that you will be allowed to leave us just as freely as you came. Only please stay with us over Christmas Eve. And she requested to come with her and to enjoy Christmas festival. She said this in such a friendly manner that the rat trap peddler could not reject, and he said, it would never have occurred to me that you would bother with me yourself, miss. उसके कहने का मतलब था कि आप क्यों परेशान होती हैं, और फिर कहता है कि ओके आई विल कम एट वंस, आई विल कम विद यू दिस टाइम. And he accepted the fur coat which the valet handed him with a deep bow, and he accepted with respect, bowing his head, and threw it means put on his rags, अपने फटे कपड़ों पर पहन लिया उसने, and followed the young lady out to the carriage, और गाड़ी तक उसने उसको follow किया without granting the astonished blacksmith, because blacksmiths and also other helpers, they were astonished, they were surprised, but he didn't see at them. But while he was riding up to the manor house, he had evil forbidding, means he had apprehensions, means he had fear. Why the devil did I take that fellow's money? अब वो सोच रहा है कि मैंने उसकी 30 kroner क्यों चुराए, मैंने क्यों लिए. And he thought, now I am sitting in the trap and will never get out. अब लगता है मैं फंस जाऊंगा and I will not be able to get out. The next day was Christmas Eve, and when the iron master came into the dining room, his old regimental comrade who he had run across so unexpectedly, first of all we must see to it that he gets a little flesh, means iron master had said to his daughter that first we must be sure that he should be in a good health, so that he could walk here and there comfortably. And he said to his daughter, who was busy at the table, and then we must see that he gets something else to do than to run around the country selling rat traps. And also he said that we will just find out any other work than the rat trap to sell. अब वो रेड ट्रैप को नहीं बेचेगा, बल्कि हम कुछ अलग से वर्क ढूंढेंगे. So it is queer and that things have gone downhill. The girl said it is very surprising that the things had gone so badly that he is in the wretched condition. Said the daughter, last night I did not think there was anything, and she said that I didn't find anything that he was an educated person ever. And now you must have patience. Then her father said that you must have patience and everything will be clear here. Last night he was naturally embarrassed. He was embarrassed and he was in torn clothes. So you are thinking that he was not educated. Just as he said that this, the door opened and the stranger, means that rat trap seller, he entered, and yes, now he was truly clean and well dressed. उसने बहुत अच्छे कपड़े पहन लिए थे, उसने नहाया भी था. एंड द वैलेट हैड बेथ्ड हिम, कट हिज हेयर, अपने बाल उसके कटवाए थे. एंड शेव्ड, उसने शेविंग भी की थी. मोर एवर ही वॉज ड्रेस्ड इन अ गुड लुकिंग सूट ऑफ क्लोथ्स which belonged to the iron master, and he wore a white shirt and a starched collar, the whole shoes. It means he was looking very nice in fine clothes, and after taking bath, being cleaned, he was looking very nice. Okay students, I will continue in my next video. Thank you and Jai Hind.